One standing on top of the other.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Irish setter that came through yesterday afternoon. It was beautiful. Took offense to the setter coming through town. Good grass there.
Another beautiful mural.
Building that looks like it's falling apart.
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep, yeah.
One of the first piles of stones we've seen.
Yeah.
This is what we've been going up the hill for. Coming up to this pilgrim cross up through a rocky. This is the top of our climb for today. A kneel gap moment. Somebody leaving their shoes. The military zone. Keep out. Going into the next small village.
I had one job where I was in a union, and that was another thing. From Europe.
Hola.
They've got some. Blackmail senators.
People who don't know are saying, this is sea. Can you get him?
One standing on top of the other.
They're friends.
Yeah.
I think there's a little. Ah, yes, yeah.
Cacao! Here we go. Lots of water. River just beside us. Good afternoon, day 11. It's the journey into Burgos. It's a pretty uneventful journey. We're in the edge of a public park on the south side of Burgos, but it's not the most exciting walk today. Up and over, around an airport, through the bit of Burgos industrial, and now through this park to get to Burgos itself. So, yeah, it's hot. Was forecast some rain, probably be tonight, I suppose. But we're about an hour away from Burgos, so should be fun. But let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Now we're just coming into the main path through the public park. It's a Sunday stroll in the park. So this is where you come in. It's a very small communal area, and the rooms are just numbered, and you walk to your room. This is the journey to one of the toilet showers. Here we are. After coming through the Arch of Santa Maria, yeah, you get the cathedral. Cathedral de Santa Maria. It is huge. Unbelievable.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.